Have you ever wondered about the incredible bounty of wild edibles growing all around us in the United States? Today, let's go on a foraging adventure through various natural habitats where nature's pantry awaits. I've been exploring these spaces for years, and I'm excited to share these hidden gems with you. Let's start right in your backyard, literally. Your lawn might seem like just grass, but it's often home to edible treasures like dandelions, chickweed, and wild violets. Moving on to meadows and overgrown fields, these are absolute gold mines for foragers. Here you'll find wild strawberries hiding under their leaves in spring, blackberries bursting with sweetness in summer, and goldenrod ready for tea making in fall. The diversity in these open spaces is truly remarkable. Thickets and woodlands. Now we're talking about nature's supermarket. These areas are where you'll discover mushrooms like morels in spring, pawpaws in late summer, and nuts like hickory and black walnuts in fall. Just remember, with mushrooms especially, always be 100% certain of your identification. When in doubt, leave it out. Disrupted areas, like construction sites or abandoned lots, might look unwelcoming, but they're often home to hardy edibles like lamb's quarters and purslane. These resilient plants are some of the most nutritious greens you can find anywhere. In our desert regions, you'll find unique edibles like prickly pear cactus, mesquite pods, and desert chia. These plants have adapted to harsh conditions and often pack intense flavors and nutritional benefits. Mountain environments offer their own special treats. Alpine meadows burst with wild berries, and higher elevations host unique plants like glacier lily and wild onions. The changing elevation creates different harvesting seasons, extending your foraging calendar. Along the seashore, there's an entirely different menu waiting. Edible seaweeds like dulse and nori, beach plants like sea rocket, and even coastal berries like beach plums can be found. Just make sure you're aware of local regulations and water quality before harvesting. Wetlands are another fascinating habitat for wild edibles. Cattails, often called the supermarket of the swamp, are edible in various ways throughout their growth cycle. You can also find water-loving plants like watercress and marsh marigold. Remember, while foraging can be an exciting and rewarding activity, it's crucial to follow some basic rules. Always be certain of your identification. Harvest sustainably. Be aware of local regulations, and avoid collecting from polluted areas or private property without permission. The United States is blessed with an incredible diversity of natural habitats, each offering its own unique menu of wild edibles. Whether you're in the mountains of Colorado, the deserts of Arizona, the forests of New England, or the coastlines of either ocean, there's always something delicious waiting to be discovered. Happy foraging!